How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys the most precise bottoms in the stock market, guarantee that, and I want to go over my system on ticker bets, and I want to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at. And before I proceed, I do have a premium Discord, so if you stay till the end, the link will be into the YouTube comment section, and it'll give you out my favorite ideas with my entries and exits. But let's go right into bets. I traded this thing many times. I want to show you guys exactly what you want to look for the bottom to make you massive amounts of money. Obviously, this Chinese next week should be very exciting. So I want to go over some of these Chinese stocks that should give, honestly, really great returns. They dump hard, but they pump hard just as fast. So as you can see, there's three bands. The green band is your buy zone, the red band is your sell, and the blue band is your price, is your magnet band, and that's where price has to go. If price hasn't hit your blue band for quite some time, it will rush like it did in this area to hit the blue band, because the price cannot have no candles here. It has to correct. Price isn't just going to keep going down forever. I know it seems like that, but price will correct, and that's what you've seen right in here. So when I played bets, I waited for never buy in the first, couple candles. So I waited for a lot of price action, a low K on the KDJ, and I wanted to make sure that we're initially getting in under the band here, because Chinese stocks are they had the biggest falls, so you want to make sure you're under the band. It just depends on the stock, the history of it, but I look for reversals for the buy zone under the band or at the green band. As you can see right in here, just to show you that this system does work, it hits the green band to a T, and then it goes up. So you want to make sure that the green band is your buy alert. Right in here, it hits it and goes up. And then it works just as much as the sell zone. Hits the sell zone, hits right back at the blue band. You take your massive gain right there, and then it goes back up near it, and then it just keeps falling down. So it works both ways. Hits the sell band, go down, near the green band, pumps up. So like I said, you can make a lot of money with this strat as long as you're patient, you're disciplined, and you wait for the market to come to you. So now, where are we at where the price is now? We already made this massive move up. We touched the blue band here to correct the price. Like I said, price will touch the blue band. It has to, I promise, and that's what corrected this price. So we had this massive move down. It went massive. It was like a 200% gain. A lot of my members in the Discord were freaking hyped, and so was I, because I love it when people make money so you can get rid of that 9 to 5 job. That's the main goal in life, guys, is to be happy and use your time to do whatever you want. So, and then the price goes down, but obviously it's not near my green band, so none of these candles are relevant. But do keep in mind, since it had a big massive green candle, or a big massive candle up here, the green band is also going to extend to the downside. So as you can see, the width here is just so dramatic that it takes time for this green band to get narrowed. So now look at the green band. It's trying to catch up to the price after that big move up. So now, yes, we are close to the blue band. I do want to see, honestly, obviously the green band is not going to be correct because it's still trying to fluctuate with this big move we had. I know it's kind of weird, but I've seen this before where this green band is going to keep going up, and when it starts touching the candles, then you're going to see a big bounce. But what I want to see is a distance from this blue band, because that blue band can act as a lot of resistance, like you've seen right here. When price gets to the blue band, it can either go up to your red band or down to your green band. So you want to look at the risk versus reward. My risk versus reward down here, when I was buying down here, was so good because of the potential. Like, I started right here on this candle. The potential from the upside was so big up here because we didn't see all these candles to the right. All I saw was this candle right here, and then the upside to the blue band was such a big distance, and I felt good. And honestly, with my accumulation rules that are so unique that I discuss in my Discord, that I made myself, that it will make you tons of money, because you cannot get the most exact bottom. It's impossible. Anyone that does that and tells you that they know how, you run away from them, because you're going to lose a lot of money. But I can tell you, I can get the most precise bottoms where it's going to be closed, and as long as you have good accumulation rules, you can make a lot of money. And that is how bottom reversals work. Because let's say it starts pumping up, and you're like, okay, it's time to get in bets, and it loses all the gains. The floor just flops out, like on this candle, and now you're bag holding. You do not want to do it. You never want to chase these kind of penny stocks. This isn't a nice company. It's not like your Tesla, your Amazon, where you'll be fine if you were chasing it a little and then over a year's time frame. But who wants to wait that long? You'll be gained. But this is not how these penny stocks work. If you hold this for a year time frame, they will have reverse splits. You will be massively down, and it's just not those kind of trades. You get in and you get out. So when it starts going up and you're thinking about chasing the stock, just remember the risk is so much higher right here because we're at the blue band. The most it can go to is the red band. And that doesn't say it's going to go to the red band. A lot of the times, this is just a price correction after a big down move, and it goes back down, which is what I expected. And I'm waiting for my green band to touch the price, which could take some time. But do keep in mind, Chinese stocks are going to be ramping up next week. I have a strong feeling about it. I am in a Chinese stock that I think is better than bets. And if you join my premium Discord, you will know that ticker. And I promise you that thing's going up 100% because based on my theory and my analysis, I write down how long a price takes to get to the blue band. I record all this. This one was from 10:25 and it took till 12:04. So I write that down and I understand within a month and a half, this price took so I have like a journal of what's the most longest it can take. Around a month and a half to 2 months is pretty long. And so I knew when I was getting in down in this area, we're getting a good deal. It's just going to take time where price wants to correct it. It has to correct it. We get out of this oversold territory, and then we're back into oversold. But when this time it's in oversold, the price is lower than where I got in. So you want to be very careful. That's how I do reversal trading. I'm currently waiting on bets because honestly, the price target is just not really there to risk. It's at $7. I mean, don't get me wrong, that's actually not that bad, but that doesn't mean it's going to go there right away. It could go down a little. But like I said, I am in a Chinese stock, and I'm very happy about it. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to give you my favorite idea with my exact entries before I get in and my exact exits before I get out. I alerted to get out in this area for bets, made lots of money. And obviously, you're not going to catch the tops and make the most money, but at least you're making consistent money. And like I said, who doesn't want like these 20% winners, 50% winners every now and then? That's massive amount of money people will kill to have those results. Like I said, join the premium Discord, and the best thing about it, it's a low cost of only $6 a month if you subscribe on your desktop. Your phone will charge a little extra fee. They upcharge it by 30%, so it'll be like $7 on your phone. But like I said, these are my best trades, and I alert in the trade alerts. There's a tab right here. I have a setup video. If you want exactly what you see on my screen, and you wanted I want to find some stocks myself, I do it all for you, but I have that there because it's a lengthy video on how I find trades and how to use these indicators a little better in my customized settings, guys. This is Stock Bets. I do think it can make a nice little move. I do like it that it's under the blue band. And I would look for a target of $7 area. But obviously, I'm in a Chinese stock already that I like more. And you can see that if you join the premium Discord. But also, guys, if you like this kind of strategy of catching reversals, catching bottoms, and how to know and be confident in your strategy that you have an edge that consistently makes money more and more and more, that is what you want. We got this guy, Oshly, is looking forward to your guidance. That is what we're going to do. I am very communicative, and anything you need, I am here for you guys because you paid the cost. I am going to give you my time. So yeah, if you want to, give a like, subscribe, comment, helps the algorithm so other retail traders can find this video. I will put the Discord link down into the YouTube comment section, so scroll down this video, and I will pin it so it'll be easy to find. I'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and they are going to be the best trades. And I will never leave you alone. I'll be very transparent in my entries and exits. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's make some money. I do think bets is going to go up, but like I said, I gave you my analogy. I'm going to choose the best Chinese stock, but I do like this one. It is lower than the blue band. Like I said, guys, if you watch this long and you are interested and you want me to guide your hand so you can quit your 9-to-5 job and make that consistent money, join the Discord, guys, and look to see you then.